The re-elected president of the Cameroon Football Federation, Samuel Eto'o, has paid a courtesy visit to the National Communication Council as part of effort to strengthen collaboration ahead of the upcoming African Cup of Nations. The meeting took place this December 4, 2025 at the National Communication Council headquarters in Yaoundé, where both institutions discussed strategies to improve communication and national support for the African Nations tournament.
He wanted to pay a courtesy call on me and to just express his concerns about where they are going to the next couple of days, the African Nations Cup. My wish is that fighting spirit that characterizes Cameroon should come back. And since no one is betting on Cameroon, this is the moment for the Lions to spring a surprise. And that's what has been the characteristic of the Cameroonian national team.
The visit marks a renewed commitment between Fecafoot and the National Communication Council to ensure effective coordination and a united national front as Cameroon prepares for the upcoming African Nations Cup this December 21st, 2025 to January 18th, 2026.